Icon, The Innovation of a Home, a Peter Roshan production. For the past 1,000 years, construction of homes and other various buildings have been built with bricks, mortar, timber, and stone repeatedly, with no change in sight, with many neighborhoods built with cookie-cutter style designs that don't always speak to the creative individuality of humans. But the award-winning company for Fast Company's 2021 Innovation by Design, Icon, is on a mission to change the global housing crisis one home at a time. Founder Jason Ballard, along with co-founders Alex LaRue and Evan Loomis, started with a team of 20 individuals, mainly consisting of ex-CEOs from various other companies, and came together to create a new innovation of 3D printed homes. The process of home building not only affects the workers that build them, but also the environment. And being that buildings are number one in energy consumption and number two in users of water, and with construction being number one in landfill waste, their product and approach to building needed to have a particular new way of changing things for the better from different angles. But why homes? What's actually the connection between Icon as a business model and the environment? Well, before Jason Ballard founded Icon, his childhood connected him to the environment the more he recognized his surroundings. Growing up in Orange, Texas, within the Golden Triangle of petrochemical refineries and the Big Thicket Nature Preserve, one of the most biodiverse areas in southeast Texas, Ballard noticed nature always had its contradictories with community involvement and the environment. After graduating from Texas A&M University in conservation biology and on a pathway to be a priest, Ballard veered his mission to begin solving the global housing crisis, helping to solve the problem of homelessness for many around the world. And with Icon having the capability to utilize robotics along with the software programming and unique materials used to create the concrete for 3D printing to create a new manufacturing process of sustainable homes, the company began to see the positive effect ahead with the power of the technology they have created. And with great power comes great responsibility. And with homelessness as a global issue that is slowly but surely getting resolved by resources and organizations, Icon seeks to expand abroad as they look to resolve the crisis of housing within various communities. Icon looks to include the builders and community they look to serve by sharing their technology and placing it in their hands to multiply their production exponentially. Now, while other American companies such as Alquist 3D or companies like Peri of Germany being competition in the 3D home building market while working with other companies as manufacturers of their products, Icon prided itself in manufacturing their own products and services and systems. Icon is the first in America to have a permit for 3D home building, raising $9 million from Silicon Valley and having over 1 million home building requests just after its first project, including building requests from organizations such as NASA and the U.S. military, with their focus remaining on what their customers' needs are and not analyzing competition off the principle of looking at self as leaders. They do believe there is plenty of room to innovate the market as a whole. Now, while taking the task of global change in housing and structure, Icon doesn't plan to limit its technology on Earth, but seeks to one day embark on including its capabilities in space beyond. With 3D printing as a newer technology, the expansion of ideas and creations within living and operating structures tend to grow with each day moving forward. Where this technology will lead us, the future only knows.